Agni Purana, an ancient literary text of India, states, "Astrology is not a belief but a clear science." In this video, you will learn mantras that will create a positive flow of energy and bring forth financial success. They should only be chanted either in the morning after taking a bath or in the evening after cleaning hands and feet. For Aries, this sign is known for its demanding and stubborn nature. Reading this mantra often can transform their arrogant energies in a positive way. Om Aing Kleeng Sauh. Om Aing Kleeng Sauh. Taurus. This is a mantra that this zodiac sign needs to follow without fail to control their overspending nature. Om Hreeng Kleeng Shreeng. Om Hreeng Kleeng Shreeng. Gemini. This zodiac sign's proud and at times mean nature can be calmed with the chanting of the following mantra. Om Hreeng Kleeng Sauh. Om Hreeng Kleeng Sauh. Cancer. The sudden mood swings and being emotional over silly reasons can be controlled when this sign chants this mantra. Om Aing Kleeng Shreeng. Om Aing Kleeng Shreeng. Leo. These self-obsessed and highly temperamental individuals can soothe their senses to a very large extent by chanting this mantra. Om Hreeng Kleeng Sauh. Om Hreeng Kleeng Sauh. Virgo. They always look for solitude as their critical nature does not let them have friends. This mantra will remove this negativity. Om Hreeng Kleeng Sauh. Om Hreeng Kleeng Sauh. Libra. Libra is confused and also lacks concentration. Chanting this mantra can make them focused and ambitious in life. Om Hreeng Kleeng Shreeng. Om Hreeng Kleeng Shreeng. Scorpio, ferocious and aggressive when things do not happen according to them. This mantra will help them stay calm and composed in difficult times. Om Aing Kleeng Sauh. Om Aing Kleeng Sauh. Sagittarius. The verbally taunting nature of this sign can be controlled if they recite the following mantra regularly. Om Hreeng Kleeng Sauh. Om Hreeng Kleeng Sauh. Capricorn. Capricorn is very strict and old school in thinking. They are also often too held back and apprehensive. This mantra gives them peace. Om Aing Kleeng Shreeng Sauh. Om Aing Kleeng Shreeng Sauh. Aquarius. Quick and impulsive decisions can land these people in a soup. Chanting this mantra will help them stabilize and think with reason. Om Hreeng Aing Kleeng Shreeng. Om Hreeng Aing Kleeng Shreeng. Pisces. Pisces tend to remain detached from the world, which is not a wise thing to do. To connect with the world they live in, they must chant the following mantra. Om Hreeng Kleeng Sauh. Om Hreeng Kleeng Sauh. This is all for now. This is me, Ashish David, signing off. I shall see you in the next video.